Now, I have talked for many years about doing some live streaming on DroningON, and it's happening. Not right now, but you guys are very special. As subscribers to this channel, you're my ambassadors for DroningON, and you're going to be the first to see the first trial streams, to give me feedback, to tell me what needs to be improved, and to be there long before anyone else is part of the live streaming network of DroningON. Now, there's some good news as well. Today, Canon sent out a press release saying that they are now adding webcam facilities to their lovely SLR cameras. I have the rather beautiful Canon 90D, which is just a stunning camera. You can see on the top there, I've got my Rode mic. That's a wireless mic, and basically it means you don't need any cables, which is great. And basically, before the announcement from Canon, you needed to buy a HDMI capture card so that you could feed HDMI straight out of that camera into the laptop or the computer that you're using. But not anymore. Now, via a USB cable and installing a simple bit of Canon software that's in beta at the moment, you get a live webcam. And I can actually demonstrate this for you now. Look, there we are. Yay! So that's all very exciting. I'll put a link in the video description if you want to go and grab this beta software now. It only supports certain Canon models, but it certainly makes streaming easy. It also means that even the most amateur YouTuber can now look professional in their streams by having an SLR at the end of the stream instead of just a basic low resolution webcam. Anyway, hopefully that's useful, folks. As I said, you guys are very special and you are ambassadors to my channel, so thank you for subscribing to this one. Spread the word. Let's try and build up a few more subscribers on this channel, and look out for our first early live test streams in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment below.